Hey everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. I'm at this beautiful 2-bedroom. This is at the 2929 Weslayan. It's just simply gorgeous. I really love it. And I'm just showing off some of the best parts of this 2-bedroom. The kitchen is adorable. I love the gas stovetop that's here. The appliances are very, very delightful. And this is a really light, well done kitchen in here too. I love this island that's here. The island's very, very nice. It's got some cabinets in there, and then it's got, of course, some seats in here too. So you can have, I'd say, 3 seats in there. You've got a lot of space in here. You can have this table. You can have a huge couch. You could have a sectional in here. It does have a really good balcony that's there. That's really cool. It also has 2 bedrooms. The bedrooms are really, really big. They all have floor-to-ceiling windows. Let's go to the master so you can see that too. Floor-to-ceiling windows in here, very, very nice. Very big in the master. That's a king-size bed, and there's still plenty of room besides the bed. There's so much space over here. That's what's really striking me. You just don't feel crowded at all. This is the bathroom, the master bathroom, dual sink. Very, very attractive. And then here's the closet as well. So really unusual, kind of cool closet in there. This is what it looks like. It's a really quick 2-bedroom walkthrough. If you'd like to see some more details of the 2929, send in a request. Just text me, use the number below, text me, and say, Grant, I'd like to set up a virtual tour. Hey, if you're in London or Europe, Washington, D.C., L.A., there's no need to travel and spend a plane ticket. Just put in a request to me. I'll take care of it. It'll be free, and we'll see some available options live for you, and we'll set that up right away, maybe even within about a couple of hours. Send in that request now.